Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So let's analyze the Bank Nifty chart and we'll find out important key level for the short term for the next week only. And along with that, I will share some important reason behind the stock market correction. I will not call it crash, at least till now. I will share why and some important updates. So to know the Bank Nifty level and its important updates, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market update and for wealth creation. So let's start the video, and first of all let me mention that I have made the first week वीडियो ऑफ द ईयर जो इस साल का पहला वीक का वीडियो आई हैव already posted that was totally long term view. I have shared the weekly chart. I have mentioned and given the disclaimer also that is that is not month or next month target. That is definitely for long term target at least till 2026, till the end of the 2026. So people should not confuse it with the short term view or with the next month view, anything. That is only for the long term uh, target. That is only long term target. Especially I have given the Nifty 50 target and the Bank Nifty, of course, the level I have shared, I have mentioned. Please go through that video. I will give that video in link in I button so that you will not confuse that it totally long term view of the stock market for of the Nifty Bank and of the for the Nifty 50 also. So today I am going to update the short term view, weekly view. Please always go through video, whole video, full video. If you are jumping you will get the wrong information, so please watch full video, otherwise do not jump in conclusion that what is that. So I am sharing and mentioning it this so that you will not get confused, and definitely watch full video before going to taking any decision, or please consult your financial advisor. Definitely this channel and this video is only for education purpose. You have to take your own decision, no buy sell recommendation. Only I am discussing the indices and important global market and some good stock in news also. First of all let me share the important reason what all happened. See, the first week of the year of 2026 was very good. It was like Nifty 50 also and Bank Nifty also were performing very good, and even the market I will show you. You can see in the chart. I will show in the chart. So both Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank and even whole stock market was performing very good on first week of the year. But after the week was ending, the same time the geopolitical condition started. What all happening between the US and Venezuela. US attacked on Venezuela, and all these geopolitical things are started happening just from the second week of the new year 2026. And just y- Friday, this the last week of the last day of the week, Friday, Trump has uh, Trump has come and with the again the new tariff war, as I discussed in my last video, that the tariff that the talk you India and US talk on tariff is going on, and this tariff things which actually spoiled the whole last year 2025. This still it is cooling off, but again in this week Trump has started the new drama and the things again uh, being changed. That US and India talk, what was happening between US and India talk, that is also actually blocked because Trump has announced that he wants to impose 500 from 50% to 500% this tariff on uh, India, especially India, China and Brazil. I'll tell you why. The Rus, the India and the other country also, the India, China and Brazil, who are importing the Russian oil from the Russia. The Trump is going to impose the hard tariff, 500 percent tariff on those countries who are importing the Russian oil. Why? Only because that they are funding the Russia and Ukraine war. He is saying that. So because of this reason, he is threatening actually that he is going to impose the 500% tariff. And this tariff, earlier it was 50% only, so 50% already it is very high. This bipartition bill means this रूस से जो बिजनेस करने वाले सारी कंट्रीज हैं, like India, China and all. So this is a bill which he is going to pass in his parliamentary next week, I guess. This bill name is bipartition bill against रशिया, और नेक्स्ट वीक ये संसद में जाएगा. तो दिस इज द बिग न्यूज़. अगर इसमें इसको मिल जाती है, एक्सेप्टेंस मिल जाती है, मंजूरी मिल जाती है, तो ही इज ही मे go ahead with these means impossible, I can say, tariff. So this is the thing. New thing has come into the news. And I will always say I talk on the tactical basis, tactical analysis basis. These news is not in my hand, what day to day what is coming. So that will we will check in the chart. But yes, this new जो threat है, it has just affecting the Indian market. Second thing is important thing is that I discuss this FII sellings. FII selling is like not last week, at least it was not stopping. It has reached to 3769 around crore. Means I can say कि 3700 से भी ज़्यादा FII selling हो सकती है. Continuously whole week, last whole week they have sold heavily. Even the DIs are buying, but still the FIS are selling. So means this is the foreign fund outflow is happening. Even the mid cap, Nifty small cap, whole stock market was affected for the whole week with all these drama. And I will say, I will show you now the chart. I have shared the important update, like a reason behind it, and why I will not call it a crash now. I'll share that. First of all, you see the chart reason you have seen, and please keep close watch on these news, so that that are definitely going to affect the Nifty in coming days. And the important thing I already shared, the Q3 updates and the budget, that is also important. So this January, February, at least March, till March, it is going to be a big challenging situation with the investor, with the trader also, which you have to definitely face at least for 2 3 months are very crucial. We will check about that 500% tariff, what is going to happen with this. But yes, yeah, one more thing, that US Supreme Court are also giving their decision on that impose these tariff imposing is legal or not by the Trump. So इस पे भी एक decision आने वाला है. That also may give some trigger to market. May, if it's positive, means it's illegal, that definitely gives some boost to Indian market. That we will see. You have to keep watch in next week. And I expect that you all are in news uh, and knowing everything what all happening around. So now you see, the I have opened the bank Nifty chart. Today I am discussing the bank Nifty definitely in detail. Tomorrow I will discuss the Nifty, and there I will also share important things which is very important. Please put your notification on to see the Sunday video also and Saturday video also, which is very important. I am discussing the indices. So निफ्टी मिड कैप और स्मॉल कैप भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा गिर चुके हैं. दिस आई हैव ड्रॉन दिस टू these two line. Why it is not correction? See, oh sorry, why it is not crash? You can see from here it went up. It has touched the new all-time high, the Bank Nifty, which was 60,400 around. Here I have shared that I in last video this trend line was going up and Bank Nifty to go beyond this trend line, which I have not made this time because I'm discussing daily chart and short term view. So here आई एम नॉट गोइंग above this that because अभी के लिए दिस वीक के लिए शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए इट इज लुकिंग नॉट लुकिंग वेरी पॉसिबल. सो हियर अभी स्टिल वी विल टेक द 60,400 का जो ऑल टाइम हाई रिकॉर्ड हाई निफ्टी बैंक ने लगाया था ऑन मंडे. ओके, this what I am saying, the first week of the year was very good because it was going up on this. You can see Friday 2nd January and this was 1st January. तो फर्स्ट सेकंड एंड थर्ड को इसने मीन्स मंडे को इसने फिफ्थ को ऑल टाइम रिकॉर्ड हाई लगाया. फ्रॉम मंडे इट हैज स्टार्टेड गिविंग करेक्शन. From here if we'll measure from here from all time high to today like Friday, I'm telling 59,000 का लो है, 59,154 का लो है. So from here to here it is not even full 2% correction. 2% से भी कम फॉलिंग हुई है till now, though it has broken the 20 day EMA. Yes, definitely this blue line is 20 EMA. It has broken it, but still the correction is only 2%. So this is whole week correction from here to here 2%. पूरे week में लेके 2% बैंक निफ्टी गिर चुका है. Even निफ्टी 50 also 2% has fallen. But इसको अभी वी कांट कॉल इट क्रैश बिकॉज ये अभी 10% का भी क्रैश नहीं हुआ है. सो वी विल नॉट जंप इन द क्रैश. स्टिल नेक्स्ट वीक आई विल अपडेट डेफिनेटली. स्टिल वी विल look for this support which is 58,600 अराउंड. एग्जैक्ट मैं बोलूँ तो 650. तो 58,650 तक आई विल वेट. यू कैन सी हियर रेजिस्टेंस एंड देन broken out, again taking support here, then again taking support here, and then here came till here. So this support is looking very crucial, and then here you see from here it has fallen and again taking support here, then upside, then here again taking support, and then again the new all time high. So this support is still intact. I'm looking for this support next week definitely. If this news is going on, कोई positive news नहीं आती है या US सुप्रीम कोर्ट का कोई न्यूज़ आता है, दैट यू हैव टू वॉच. अगर उससे कुछ रिकवरी मिलती है तो दैट वेल एंड गुड. Otherwise, if it will fall more, it will definitely reach to this level of 58,650. Watch this level next week closely. अगर ये भी break होता है, see I am giving the prediction only, I am giving the possibilities only. आई एम नॉट गिविंग एनी डिसीजन कि ये लेवल ही आ जाएगा उसके बाद ये नहीं वहाँ जाएगा. इट मे ब्रेक. दिस इज मार्केट. देयर इज uncertainty, instability. So we have to watch only. I can only give the levels. You have to watch that level is breaking or not. If it's breaking, so go for the look for the next level. But you cannot say it has broken now it will go up. What is happening? Crash happening, correction happening. So you don't have to confuse with anything. Just listen the level, watch that level. If it's breaking, it's being broken, you can watch for the next level. I will watch this level 58,050 for the next week. And after that if it's breaking I will definitely update with the new levels. So you don't have to stick with the one level only. You have to watch all the level I'm mentioning. सो दिस लेवल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ 58,650। ऊपर के लेवल में यस, अभी मैं ऊपर के लेवल पे नहीं जा रही हूँ, जो कि मैंने लॉन्ग टर्म व्यू में दिया है। आई हैव गिवन दिस ट्रेंड लाइन एंड दैट इज डेफिनेटली that this was 60,700 around a resistance which I have mentioned my uh, last week video for the year, that 60,700 should be broken. सो मैंने वहाँ भी रेजिस्टेंस दिया है दैट इट शुड ब्रेक इट, देन इट विल गो अपसाइड। अदरवाइज मैं लेवल्स देती हूँ, वो ब्रेक होने के बाद ही मैं आगे की बात कर सकती हूँ। दैट्स वाई आई हैव नॉट डिस्कस द ब्रेकआउट। सो दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट लेवल फॉर द सपोर्ट, आई विल लुक फॉर इट। बिफोर दैट यहाँ पे भी एक सपोर्ट है जो कि इसने अभी लास्ट फ्राइडे ही ले लिया है। दिस सपोर्ट इज ऑफ 59,180, 59,100 के आसपास भी एक सपोर्ट है। वी नीड टू वॉच, बट वहाँ तक ऑलमोस्ट टच कर चुका है। सो हियर इट हैज डेफिनेटली टेकन सपोर्ट। आई एम नॉट लुकिंग फॉर दिस, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर दिस सपोर्ट डेफिनेटली फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक। एंड ऊपर के लेवल पे 20 ईएमए पे ज़रूर ये एक फिर से रेजिस्टेंस ले सकता है, बट ब्रेकिंग दिस रेजिस्टेंस, इफ इट ब्रेक्स दिस, it may again go for all time high like 60,400, और उसके पहले 60,000 डेफिनेटली 100। तो 60,100 पहला रेजिस्टेंस होगा, उसके बाद 60,400 जो कि वो होगा, वो मुश्किल लगता है। वी विल सी, क्योंकि अभी ये सारी कंडीशन स्टार्ट हो गई है, लाइक Greenland, Venezuela, and these tariff war of 500%, and all these already started in New Year. So Abhi is looking very tough. Like again, Nifty Bank going to this level and breaking this level. Breaking तो मैं अभी बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ, एटलीस्ट फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म, फॉर द वीक। और यस, सपोर्ट यही रहेगा। सो दो एक रेजिस्टेंस है 60,100 का एंड देन 60,400 का, बट नीचे के लेवल पे अब यही एक सपोर्ट दिख रहा है जो कि 58,650 का है। इसके बाद ये डेफिनेटली और नीचे जाएगा, विच आई विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट वीक वीडियो ओनली, नॉट नाउ। अगर चला जाता है तो डेफिनेटली you be ready for that. For the investors also, for the traders also, you have to be very very careful with the news, with the conditions surrounding, and with the USD INR also, global market also, everything you have to be careful before investing, before trading. और अभी के लिए यू आई विल डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट wait and watch, do not jump in, just see what is happening with a budget also, and with these Trump issue, the tariff issue to already started to happen. So I have shared everything in detail. I hope you got clearly. Do not confuse with anything. Stay patient, wait and watch, and take your time to do research and studies before investing or before trading. Nifty bank level, I will share again. Important support is 58,650, and important resistance is 60,100 and then 60,400. And like and share the video with your friends and others, and subscribe the channel also for stock market insight and for wealth creation.